least annually, you're required to maintain a program in place where you're monitoring your service provider's compliance status. Now, understand that your service providers don't necessarily need to be validated compliant, but they need to be performing the services that they're providing to you in a compliant way. And this is kind of might be difficult to understand. I'd recommend you getting a hold of myself or talking to your assessor about this if you have any questions. What we see in most cases is organizations such as yours would reach out to their service provider and ask them for a copy of their AOC. If your service provider can provide you a copy of their AOC, you're good for the next year. If they cannot provide you with an AOC, there might be a need for you to actually assess them or that they're included as part of your assessment that we perform on your behalf. In any event, your assessor is going to be looking for the evidence that you have to validate or to maintain this program around monitoring your service provider compliance.